Hello, friends. I bet you didn't think making parol from bamboo sticks is easy. This family makes it look easy. In this episode, we will meet a family of parol makers and see how parol made of bamboo frame is made. Simple materials become symbols of hope and celebration. Discover their story. Tara na, let's go see.
Ako po si Luzviminda Gallardo, isang manggagawa ng parol dito sa Las Piñas. Turning 68 na po ako this month. Tapos, since 1978 po gumagawa na ako ng parol.
We are in the city of Las Piñas. This city is famous for its bamboo organ. The bamboo organ in St. Joseph Parish Church is a 19th century church organ. It is known for its unique organ pipes. Of its 1,031 pipes, 902 are made of bamboo.
Nag-uumpisa siya sa paglalagari ng kawayan, pagkatapos tinitilad, kinakayasan, tapos tinatalian, pagkatali tutukuran, tapos didikitan, tapos kami na yung finishing, yung gumagawa ng mga buntot, borlas, finishing na yun.
The parol symbolizes the Star of Bethlehem, shining hope during Christmas. It reflects Filipino unity and tradition, dating back to Spanish colonial times.
Ang katulong ko po sa ngayon na gumagawa ng parol, mga anak ko, tapos mayroon po kami mga tauhan na siyang gumagawa. Ano ko kasi, step by step kasi ang paggagawa ng parol. Kaya, kanya-kanya sila ng trabaho.
The parol showcases Filipino craftsmanship and is a beloved holiday icon. If you want to make parol at home, here are some step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Prepare the bamboo sticks. Split and smooth the bamboo into sticks about 1 centimeter wide and 2 feet long. Use a knife or cutter to trim them into equal lengths. Step 2. Make 2 triangles. Use 3 sticks to form a triangle. Tie the corners tightly. Twine or rubber bands work well. In this case, they're using small, thin wires. Make a second triangle of the same size. Now you have 2 identical bamboo triangles. Step 3. Form the star shape. Lay 1 triangle over the other to form a 5-pointed star. Secure the overlapping points where the triangles intersect using glue, nails, or more twine. Step 4. Strengthen the frame. Add horizontal and vertical crossbars inside the star for extra support using shorter bamboo pieces. Step 5. Cover the star. Cut pieces of Japanese paper or cellophane slightly larger than each section of the star. Apply glue around the bamboo edges, then carefully place the paper. Press gently to stick and trim any excess paper.
Ano po ito, barangay? Barangay captain yun ang order.
Step 6. Decorate the parol. Add tails or fringes using crepe paper strips at the bottom or each point of the star. Optional, decorate with glitter, stickers, ribbons, or LED light bulbs.
Anak ko, 10 taon na. 10 taon na puro oras.
Sa frame ng parol.
Nagawa ng frame.
Frame. Lalagyan ng tukod, pinaka-frame para...
Ano kasi nag start ang bentahan, meron na ngayon pa konti-konti pero kadalasan nag start siya mga end of this month hanggang December 15. Yun yung kalakasan ng parol. After nun, wala na. Balik na naman kami sa, sa normal namin at buhay. Pahinga lang ng ilang buwan, tapos, yung mga May nga, nag-start na uli. Sa kung sino man po yung mga nakakakita sa interview na to, pwede po kayong pumasyal dito sa Plaza Quezon sa Las Piñas. Marami po ditong mga paninda. Pwede po kayong mamili ng iba't ibang design. Marami po kami ditong mga magpaparol na pwede nyo po silang makausap. At affordable naman po yung price namin. Okay. Sige, thank you po. Mulan na.
We see how the lights bring life to the Christmas lanterns in the nighttime sky. If you loved this story, hit like and subscribe for more untold stories from the heart of the Philippines. Know someone with a story like this? Tell us in the comments. Let us know what you would like to see.